Okay, we are at the Fairmont Amman, room 906. Quick room tour. I think we have, in fact I know, we have saved the very best to last. So to start with, we have a little entryway here, entry foyer. Love that. Nice lit closet. They've put our suitcase in here. Love this. I love the grandeur of having a set of doors to open to go into the room. I feel like I was born to stay at a Fairmont. Okay, sorry. I'm gushing. This room has got me. So, nice accent lighting, TV, king size bed. Love, love, love this room. Cute little chaise. Not only a desk, but a quiet little desk area, coffee corner. I'm sure we've got, of course, some glasses ready to go, ice, I'm guessing mini bar. Yep, fully stocked mini bar. Loving that. And love that. Sliding doors into the bathroom, which is huge. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a bathtub built for two, at least. These standard amenities that Fairmont's known for. Fabulous. Love all this stuff. And separate toilet area and separate shower with a seat in. Rain shower, love it. Love the accent lighting. Heated towel bar. I mean, really, I don't think it gets better than this. So absolutely, for our very last hotel room, it is absolutely our very best hotel room. And as we are in downtown Amman, we've got not a great view, actually. Kind of disappointed in the view, but we've got four corners here: the Sheraton, the St. Regis, and the Four Seasons over there. So we're in a pretty good neighborhood. Liking that. Just wish we had a better view of downtown Amman, and the hills, but loving the view in here. So that is our room tour. Again, the Fairmont Amman in downtown Amman, Jordan. I am one happy camper.